Wayne's Collision Center is the Treasure Coast's premier auto body repair and restoration facility. We're able to repair nearly any year, make, or model vehicle. Our Collision Center is a 25,000 square foot facility with state-of-the-art equipment to get the job done right the first time. From fleet vehicles to foreign and domestic, Wayne's also has a frame-off restoration branch within the premises. Family owned and operated, Wayne's Collision has been serving South Florida since 1991. All of our techs are trained and certified in I-CAR-specific fields to ensure that your vehicle receives the highest quality repair. Our expertise includes aluminum repairs, carbon fiber, frame straightening, and much more. We use top-of-the-line paint products to ensure a showroom finish. For prestige results, our paints are air-heated and dried in our downdraft paint booths. We then apply a tri-stage wet sanding, buffing, and polishing process recommended by 3M to ensure the deepest and richest luster. Wayne's offers a limited lifetime warranty on all labor, parts, and paint against fading, cracking, and peeling. All insurance work is backed by a full lifetime warranty. Let Wayne and his team bring your daily driver or restoration project back to factory specifications today.